Hi guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you just happen to be browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. Alright, before I even start, let me give a shout out to Weave the Story. Guys, check out Weave the Story channel. He's awesome. Alright, so today I'm going to make a very quick pasta chicken Alfredo. So here's my Alfredo sauce. I'll be using some shell pasta with some green peas, my chicken breast, my oil, olive oil, black pepper, I'll be going in with some paprika, some garlic salt, and I'm gonna kick it with a little bit of spice. This is my Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm gonna put extra cheese, even though this is very cheesy, and some chicken season. That's my ingredients for today, guys. All right. Okay, guys, so this is just one large chicken breast. I'm gonna go in with some garlic salt, some paprika, and some chicken season. So about a teaspoon of all my powder seasoning, with some ground black pepper. Okay guys, boil your pasta according to the direction on the box, all right? So I'm just adding some salt to my water. That's a pound of pasta with 4 quarts of water. Here I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. So guys, I'm gonna let my chicken cook until it's tender, and I'll see you next. Guys, now I'm gonna add the peas to my chicken. And I'm gonna let this cook for 7 minutes. Remember guys, use frozen peas and you defrost it before you use it, okay? So guys, now I'm ready to add my sauce. And by the way guys, just add 2 tablespoons of water after you put your peas in, and keep your stove on low, flame on low, all right? So this is a jar, 15 ounces jar of Alfredo sauce. To this guys, I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, just to give it a kick. You don't have to, all right? And another thing also, you can just do salt and pepper on your chicken before cooking your chicken. Just gonna let this warm for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll see you guys next. Guys, when your pasta is nice and cooked, drain the water. I'm gonna add my chicken Alfredo to my pasta, and I'll see you guys at presentation. Okay guys, so at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my chicken and green peas pasta Alfredo, or Alfredo pasta. It is delicious, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Can you see? I just add a little Parmesan cheese to the top. Extra palm. Okay, guys, as you know, I feed the heart, the mind, the belly, and the soul. Now it's time to feed the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from Isaiah 40, verse 29. He giveth power to the faint, and to them that have no might he increased strength. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, overthinking is not going to make anything better, all right? So stop overthinking. Just go with the flow. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.